You've been lied to about the age that you can retire. Most people work their entire adult lives without knowing how much money they actually need to stop working. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to calculate your retirement number and a process to hit it before 65. Here's something that will blow your mind. $1 million could give you $40,000 every single year for the rest of your life without ever having to work again. All you need to do is put that $1 million into a high interest savings account that gives you a 4% return every year. You can actually live off of $40,000 forever after that. If you want help calculating that exact number, click the link in the description for my free retirement calculator. I changed my retirement goal from an age to a specific number because tomorrow's never guaranteed. I want to enjoy as much of my life as possible now and not just hope to make it when I'm 65. Most people have no idea what their retirement's gonna cost them. Here's how you can calculate it with a peace of mind. So for step one, you want to write down your current expenses plus any additional activities that you want to do when you're retired. So that could be vacations, hobbies, like some salsa, merengue, whatever it is, you want to include that in your expenses. Then step two, you want to add those two numbers together to give you your monthly lifestyle cost. Then you want to multiply it by 12. That's going to give you your yearly cost. I have a Google Sheet that does this calculation for you. Link in description. Last, you want to take that annual number and divide that by 0.04, which is 4%. That's your retirement number. Don't forget to grab that free calculator. Link is in the description. Don't let that large number scare you. Now you know where your final destination is. All you got to do is take baby steps to get towards it. It's very possible to do it if you break it down into smaller, actionable steps. You start off with saving $100. Then you save with $1,000. 1,000 turns into $10,000. And once you're using the stock market to help you grow your wealth, you'll get there in no time. For those that feel they can't save enough to hit their number, I created a video on how you can invest your first $500 in the stock market that you can watch next right here.